Hello and welcome everybody. This video is intended to show the configuration that we were using for the power supply and also the PLC connection in our Open Lab. So as you can see, this is the layout that has been used on the past projects. You can see how everything is interconnected. And what I want to show you is how we have controlled or configured the power supply. So as you can see, these are the power supply, so the parameters, and if we connect the PLC, we will get the lights that are being shown. So you must probably be wondering, what do the lights mean? In order to do this, I will suggest you to go to the B&R website. So we need to look for the PLC documentation, and here it is. We want to see the generation of PLCs and we want to look for our PLC. So we will go to the complexity series. We want to check the information. Of our PLC. So yeah, the X20 system. We want to see compact SPLCs. If you go and check the documentation, here. This is the documentation that we're looking for. We want to see the exact PLC that we have. So if you read on our PLC, you will find this. So go inside, and here you will find the downloads and all the specific documentation, so certificates, upgrades, but we're interested in both of these. So this is the general information that we have, and this is the datasheet. So if you go inside and you go to the English version, you will find this. So this is exactly the PLC that we have in our lab. And if you go to the description, here is the status. This is the diagnostics lights. So here you can see what happens if we have a green light, red light, yellow light for each and every one of the lights that we have. In our case, it will be F3, F2, depending on where are we connecting our Ethernet cable. And you can check this documentation in order to know more about what's happening when you connect the PLC and how to troubleshoot it. This is very important to bear in mind. I'm going to post this link in the video description. Have a great day. Thank you.